This project's quite unique for us. It's the biggest dragon we've ever carved.
We're working for Historic Royal Palaces, who are currently restoring the pagoda at Kew Gardens. There are 80 dragons in total, but 8 are carved into wood. And 8 carvers have been chosen to carve 8 dragons, and we're one of the carvers.
The master carver's dragon was 3D printed so that we could use a copy of that model that's 4 times smaller, and we could use that as a reference along with all the 3D drawings. We got the dragon in a block of wood, but it was cut into sections. The first stage is roughing out, and that is using some machines, big chisels, and then we're just getting down to the basic shapes of the dragon, and then we take measurements to make sure everything's in the right proportions. The next stage is putting in the details. We use slightly smaller chisels. We put in the features, the character, the bone structure.
There's an awful lot of detail on the wings and in the face. The wings of the dragon have come separate, blocked out, and they're pegged on. So we've been placing them on and off to get the form. I'd say the most complicated part of the carving.